Hi, I'm Subhashini, and today let's talk about something that's powering safe innovation in banking, the sandbox. In tech, a sandbox is a safe testing environment. In banking, a regulatory sandbox allows fintech startups and banks to test new AI tools, products, or services without breaking real-world systems or laws. Regulators like the RBI, UK's FCA, and MAS Singapore offer sandboxes so innovators can test in a controlled, time-bound setup with limited users and close supervision. What can be tested? AI-driven credit models, fraud detection tools, blockchain payments, chatbots for compliance. The goal? Innovation without risk. It helps banks adopt new tech faster and safer and ensures customers stay protected. So next time you hear sandbox in fintech, know it's where the future is safely built. Follow for more fintech bites and AI explained.